Good morning, Packers. Happy Thursday or Friday, depending on when you're watching this. Um, Today, we are going to be writing a praise poem. So, if you are able to come to the Google Meet, whether it's today with your third hour class or tomorrow, Friday, with your fifth hour class, um, you would not have to listen to this video because we'll be going over it in class. But if you could not make it to class today or tomorrow, here are the instructions on how to write your praise poem. So, what is this poem? A praise poem is written about something of yourself that makes you who you are. Okay. You may love this part of yourself, or perhaps it is something about yourself that you wish to change. So, um, you're we're basically writing about writing about ourselves. Sorry, and we are going to praise ourselves. We're going to give ourselves credit, and that can be hard for some of us because usually we're not used to writing or talking about ourselves. Um, so we are going to have a chance to practice that today, and you are going to be able to write about a few different things. Okay. So here's example number one, a poem that somebody wrote about their physical traits. Your physical traits are like your hair, your legs, your hands, your eyes. Okay. So you may want to write a poem about different parts of your body. Um, and so this is a great example for you to follow. Okay. So as you can see, the first line, they said, "My hair is as long as a pony's tail and as shiny as a river. My skin is as brown as a bear getting up in the sunlight. My eyes, excuse me, I'm sorry. My eyes are as big as berries, but as dark as a buffalo hide." Okay, and you can go on and read the rest yourself, but Um, basically, they are talking about their different parts of their body and comparing it using a simile or a metaphor. Okay. So, like I said, my hair is as long as a pony's tail. Okay. Now, you can think of a horse or a pony, you can think of their long tails. Okay. And that's how this person is describing their hair, as long as the pony's tail. So, that's what you kids are going to be working on today. Um, One of the great things about a praise poem, students, is it's a free verse poem. So that means there are no rules. Okay, there's no rules in the sense of you having to rhyme. There's no rules about um, syllables in each line. There's no rules about how many um, rhyming word sequences that you have to have, whether it's an A B AABB type of sequence. So you guys can write pretty much however you want. Just know that it is a praise poem, so you need to praise yourself. Okay. I am asking for at least 6 lines. Okay. I'm asking for at least 6 lines on your poem. And then you can write about one trait of yourself or several traits about yourself. Okay. Now, what do traits mean? Traits mean like physical traits, like your arm, your hair, your nose, your eyes. Those are traits that are physical. Um, so you could talk about one part of your body, okay, or one part of you. You could also talk about like an emotional trait. So you could talk about how hardworking you are. You may talk about how happy you are. Okay. Otherwise, you're going to use several traits, which is very similar to this poem where they talk about different parts of the body. Okay. They talk about her hair, her skin, her eyes, ears, hands, okay, her